How to enable and use reading mode on your OnePlus phone, Android Central. Reading mode is one of my favorite features in OxygenOS. The feature makes it easy to read long-form content or books on your OnePlus phone. And it does so by turning the display monochrome, just like an e-reader. Here's what you need to know about the feature. And how you can start with reading mode. You can enable reading mode by going into your phone's settings. But an easier way is via the notification shade. Here's how to enable the feature. Now that you have reading mode easily accessible, let's take a look at all the options available and how you can make the most of the feature. Reading mode has two effects, chromatic and mono. Chromatic tones down the colors and makes it more conducive to using your phone at night. Whereas the mono mode turns the screen grayscale, ideal for reading. I prefer using the mono mode as it basically turns the screen of your OnePlus phone into an e-reader. But the chromatic mode also has its uses. Regardless of whatever mode you choose. Reading mode makes a huge difference if you're reading a lot of text on your phone. If you use an e-book client like Kindle or Moon Reader, you can set things up so that the reading mode automatically kicks in whenever you launch the app. You'll also be able to mute incoming notifications when the feature is enabled, allowing you to read without any distractions. The OnePlus 8 has a lot going for it on the hardware front, including a Snapdragon 865 chipset and 90Hz display, but it is the software where it wins out. OxygenOS comes with a host of useful features like reading mode that make a lot of difference in day-to-day use. Thinking about joining Team OnePlus but aren't sure which of the company's gadgets is right for you? Let us help you find the perfect OnePlus phone. Flagship phones are great. Paying full price for them isn't. Refurbished phones let you get a flagship device for a fraction of the cost. And these are a few of our favorites. It's always a stressful situation in the event that something happens to your smartphone. This is true for the Nokia 7.1 as you wouldn't want to have to replace your new device due to a cracked screen. To combat those concerns, we have found the best cases you can get for your new phone. Harish Janalagada is the regional editor at Android Central, a reformed hardware modder. He now spends his time writing about India's burgeoning handset market. Previously, he used to ponder the meaning of life at IBM. Contact him on Twitter @ChunkyNerd. Text source, AndroidCentral.com.